Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Holden Astra, stock number 6037. This ran from 09/2016 to the 12/2020. Has a B14XT FT 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a B14 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front mirror. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.
Australians read.